Everyone. In the previous videos, we have learnt about notice writing and advertisement in a very formal manner. But our today's video is going to be very much creative, innovative and attractive too. So let's begin our today's topic, poster making. Now what is a poster? A poster is a very strong medium of communication to generate social awareness, preventions or measures, or to provide information for some event. There are two types of posters, non-event posters and event posters, and both these are there in our syllabus. So let's see what is a non-event poster. A non-event poster, as I have told you, will generate awareness, just provide the information, some measures or some preventions. An event poster will provide us information about some function like webinars, seminars, annual function or inauguration or something else with other details. Now let's see some key points how to draft and make an attractive poster. Poster also should be word limit 50 and the marks it contains is 4. Heading of the poster should be very catchy and we have to highlight the heading of the poster. We can use captions and slogans or phrases also. We can use punchlines also. Now, poster should be an eye-catchy through its slogans and through the creativity that we are going to draw in a poster. The message that it is conveyed through this poster should be very much clear. Avoid using vague language. You can use short and simple sentences. Now next is the name of the issuing authority, that who is drafting this poster, that has to be written at the end of the poster. If you are drafting an event poster, don't forget to mention date, time and venue. And in some posters or in some functions or events, they have chief guests also or keynote speakers also. Then we have to mention their names in our poster also. At last, we have to place our poster in a box. Box is also of two types here. You can either draw into the horizontal manner or you can draw into the vertical manner. That is the landscape and the portrait sort of a box. Let's begin with my first example. Now this is a non-event poster in which I have given to generate the awareness, the preventions and measures to fight with corona, because these days we are fighting and we are facing this challenge, that is COVID-19 or corona. You all know these measures, still I have tried to draft them and you can see that it is not very untidy and most of the initial or important information is provided here. So let's begin with, I try to draft this sort of a earth. I have written here, wear mask. This is one of the very important measure and prevention to be safe from COVID-19. I have used this phrase, stay home, stay safe. This makes my slogan. Then another information I have provided, wash your hands, fruits and veggies. So I have drawn a tap and this my basket will depict very clearly what we should do, that we should wash and then utilize, because this is the government issued by government authority, and so I have drawn one government app also. I hope you have also downloaded this Arogya Setu app that will update you from time to time for your health and nearby area. Then another important message I have drawn here to generate awareness, that sanitize yourself to get rid of this virus or germs. Another important message that you can see here is follow social distance. We should maintain distance and we should not shake hands with each and everyone. So I have given the most important information or prevention through this poster, but you can replace them with something else also. You can draw, instead of this sort, you can draw something else. It all depends upon your creativity. And in last you have to draw one small star here, and the last line will the name of the issuing authority, issued in public interest by MHRD, that is Ministry of Health and Resource Development. Then close your box and this completes your non-event issue. Now let's come here to my second example. My second example is an event poster, and it shows that there is a grand book fair organized by some school. So as I have told you, in posters you can have designs, you can have calligraphy, styling, font of your own choice and size, but don't make your poster untidy or unkempt. Let's begin here. I have written ABC School, and in this format, in this font and calligraphy, I know my students know much better calligraphy and style, so you can make a very beautiful posters. Organizes, name of the organization. Organizes, name of the event, Grand Book Fair. So the event is book fair. Now here and there I have given some other related information, but because this is an event, so I have to give the date also. I have mentioned 12th May 2020. Time is also very important detail. Timing I have given 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then venue. For every event poster, it is compulsory to write the venue. So here, because this is by school book fair, I have written school campus. You can write a school premises, you can write sports field, you can put a school auditorium, library, or outside the school also. So it depends from event to event. You can change your venue also. Now the other related information, see, digital books. No need to write complete sentences because it will cover your much space. So don't write. Digital books are also available. Only this much is sufficient. Digital books, because it is about books. So what books provide us? This also I have written in bullets. Inform us, they instruct us, so we feel delighted, and they enrich our knowledge. Another, because this poster or this event is for some noble cause. So like for the victims of drought, famine, tsunami, you can write here. So these days we are fighting with COVID-19. So I have given a little bit information to aid those who lost their jobs due to COVID-19. Nowadays you can read in the newspapers or through e-news, you can get the information that the people who are with the daily wagers, daily workers working in factories or farms or fields have lost their jobs. So this poster, the money that will be collected through this book fair will be to help those people, those families. Now here, because this is a grand book fair, I have written 10 books at one place. So it will attract the readers of all sort. They will come to see, to have a look of 10,000 books. Entry fees, because my motive is to collect money for a noble cause, so I have given entry fees ₹15. That is not much. Everyone can afford this. Another one feature I have written, a special offer for kids and senior citizens, so that if they are the book lovers, they can come and find a suitable corner for their favorite book and favorite author. Students, I haven't mentioned here the different genres of a book. Okay, so like a fiction, non-fiction, sci-fi, horror, travelogues, you can mention here this also. You can mention the name of the authors also, like Shakespeare, Arvind Adhika, Arundhati Roy, or many others whose books will be available in this grand book fair. It depends upon the space. So this completes my poster, and few other things I have written here that you can replace in these boxes, any of these. These will help you. These are like punchlines. Early bird offer. Books are best friends, means slogans, different slogans you can use. Books with Kindle edition. This is another feature that will attract our readers or attract the people who are the book lovers. Come one, come all. So you can replace any of these, but the size of your poster in exams also will remain this only. So I hope you have understood how to draft a poster. For your assignment, I have one question here. Being the president of Lions Club, design a poster for the appreciation of Corona warriors such as nurses, doctors, helpers, policemen, etc. Word limit is 50. I hope you can draft it in a very easy way and in an attractive manner. That's all for today. Bye-bye.